Welcome to the phone transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn on speaker during call on Samsung. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the phone app on Samsung device. You can easily find the phone app on home screen or inside the app drawer. Just look for the green phone icon and tap on it to open. Step 2. Once the app is open, dial the number you want to call. If you already have the contact saved, tap on the Contacts tab at the bottom and select the person you want to call. Step 3. Now, simply tap on the call icon and phone will start dialing the selected number. Wait for the call to connect. Step 4. Once the call is connected, you will see different options on your screen. Look for the speaker icon, which is usually at the bottom or in the middle of the screen, depending on Samsung model. Step 5. To turn on the speaker, just tap on the speaker icon once. The icon will highlight, and you will hear the call audio through phone's loudspeaker instead of the earpiece. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.